Bud. Hi, Bud. Say, we was just trying to fit both our hands in our mouth at once. Yeah, they taste real good. They taste real good. We couldn't decide which one we liked better, so we decided to go for both. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I guess we like this one. This one's pretty good. Yeah. Hi, Betty. Hi, Betty. Did we just get back from a doctor's appointment? Yeah. Yeah. You're talking. You're talking. Hi, Bub. Hi, Bub. Hi, Bubba. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Are you smiling? Hi. Say bye-bye.